What's the meaning of circle? Circle. Circle.
Circle. Circle. In geometry, a circle is a two-dimensional shape that is defined as a closed curve in which every point on the curve is equidistant from a fixed point called the center. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius. Circles are commonly used in mathematics, physics, and engineering to calculate areas, distances, and other properties. They have many practical applications, such as in the design of wheels, gears, and pulleys. Additionally, circles have symbolic meanings in different cultures, representing unity, wholeness, and perfection.